Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can install mods in Minecraft Bedrock like this car. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step what you need to do here, you need to go to the browser and go to curseforge.com and then select Minecraft Bedrock. And then you can browse all the mods here. In my case, I will look for a car, right? So for example, I will select this car here, press download. Wait for 5 seconds until download process is basically start to download. And once downloaded, just click on that particular file that we just downloaded and wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Right? Then what you need to do here is to press play. In my case, I will create new world here. Let's create new world and then make it creative. And then here on the resource packs should be also that particular car, make sure it's activated. Then on behavior packs, also make sure it's activated as well. And then what you need to do next is to go to experiments and then scroll down until you see add-ons, creators, and turn on all these options here, right? Then what you need to do here is to create the world. And then after it's created, I will show you what you need to do next. So I'm on the world, and then in my case, I just need to press E, and then you need to scroll down until you see nature, and then X, right here, X, and you will see all the cars. So you just need to select a particular car, and then after you do so, you can close this, and then you just need to right click on the basically spot, right? And you will have a car, and if you want to set it, you just need to right click again. You will be in the car and then you can drive it. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.